Okay guys, I have arrived at the Porsche Center in Langley. Alright, here was the clue I mentioned over in my introduction. Something with black wheels. It has the 911 taillights, 991.2 chassis. Put down. Two double exhausts in the middle, and it's not a GT3 or GT3 RS. It's a mystery. What has headlights? Has the Porsche 911? Alright, any guesses, guys? Anyone? It is in Porsche, the sports car, but... Okay, time to show you what it is. It's the Speedster. Look at this beautiful thing. 70th Porsche. Talk about the 70th anniversary they had. And look. Has a manual transmission only with a fire extinguisher. 4-liter flat 6, 500 horsepower straight from the GT3. Sickly fast. Love it. Love it.